how did you get your life partner? That's the question. So, and this question has been asked by Chaitanya once. Okay, great question. Now, first of all, I've answered, I've shared about my married life and how I met my partner, Harpreet, and how we got married, and after being together for 3.5 years in my podcast. There's this episode about, it says I'm getting married, and I think that's episode number 17 of the Nishkarsh Sharma show, 17. So you should definitely listen to that. You check it out on Spotify or Apple Podcasts after you see this video. But just to answer that question, we met in a co-working space. So in the year 2017, the month of July, we joined this new co-working space, and Harpreet was the community manager in that particular co-working space. That's how we met, and there was this one time wherein the seat next to her, of course, she is beautiful, and when I saw her, I was like, wow, she's cute, she's beautiful, and she radiated a very positive energy. So I got a really good vibe without even talking to her. So there was this seat which was vacant next to her, so I just went there. I asked her if the seat's vacant. She said yes, and I sat down, and then we started talking, exchanged numbers. That's pretty much how it started. The cool thing is, after I don't know, 2 to 3 months after that, we left that co-working space. So I always tell myself, and I always tell Harpreet that we went to this co-working space. This co-working space happened to us just so that we could meet each other. So yeah, I'm really grateful about that. So yeah, that's how I met her. And yeah, like I said, check out episode number 17 of the Nishkarsh Sharma show. It's about I'm getting married, and it pretty much shares our 3.5 year journey, how we met, what all we've been through, what was I feeling before getting married. And at the time of recording this, it's already been we've completed more than 2 months and pretty of marriage. So pretty happy about that. Yeah, thanks for asking.